Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Take out your books. Science chapter number 1. Ourselves. In the previous lecture we have studied about the topic microscope. So now we are going to start the topic 1.2 cellular organization. The question is, what is a cell? Cell is a building block of living organism. If you want to understand a cell, let us take an example as if you want to make some house or a building, no matter how many rooms we want to make, we need bricks to make that rooms. So bricks are the building blocks of the house. So same is the case with the living organisms, that the cell is a building block of living organisms. Cells combine to form an individual. There are two different basic cells, two groups of cells such as animal cells and plant cells. The cells in common have the differences, as the plant cell contains some different organelles and the animal cell contains the different organelles. What is cell made up of? Cell किन किन चीजों से मिलके बनता है? Cell has basic three parts called as cell membrane, protoplasm, which contains cytoplasm and nucleus collectively. There are different organelles which are present in the cell, which collectively combine to perform the function of a cell. So move on to the next page, page number 5. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer surface of the membrane. As you can see here, there is a diagram of animal cell. So the outer membrane of the cell is called as a cell membrane. As it is the outer membrane, it provides the support to the cell and also allows different substances to leave the cell or to enter the cell. Cytoplasm. This is the liquid which is present inside the cell, and cytoplasm is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It is mostly water or a fluid. Different other organelles such as mitochondria, centrioles and Golgi apparatus are present in the cytoplasm. The next is nucleus. Nucleus is the centralmost part of the cell. In the nucleus is made up of an envelope, a membrane which is called as the nuclear envelope. Nucleus consists of thread-like structures. These structures are called as chromatin material. Or genetic information, the information about the activities of life are present in the nucleus. You can see here the diagram of plant cell. In an animal cell, there is a single boundary or wall which is called as a cell membrane, while in a plant cell there are two walls. In addition to cell membrane, there is a wall present which is called as a cell wall. Plant cell has two walls, cell membrane and a cell wall. The outer wall of plant cell is a cell wall. Now come on page number 6. In addition to the different other organelles present in the cell, there is an additional wall which is called as a cell wall. Cell wall of a plant is made up of cellulose. It provides a shape, protection and maintenance to the plant cell. Another organelle which is called as mitochondria is present in the cell. Mitochondria is present in the cytoplasm of the cell, in the fluid of the cell. All the energy which is required by a cell is given by or produced by mitochondria. As mitochondria produce the energy of a cell, so it is called as powerhouse of the cell. All the reactions takes place especially in the mitochondria. Here comes, you can see here the diagram of mitochondria present here. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are the tubules which are present in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulums are projections which move out of the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum are of the two types. It may be rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum performs the two functions. It synthesizes some compounds, some important compounds needs for the requirement of the cell, or it convert con it helps in the conversion of some harmful compounds into the harmless compounds. It converts the harmful compounds present in the cell into the harmless compounds which are used by the cell. The another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes, which are in the form of granules, small granules, are attached on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are the factory for the synthesis of protein. So, and rough endoplasmic reticulum has a main function in the protein synthesis because of the presence of ribosomes. Now come on page number 7. Here comes Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus has a disc-like structure. These are in the form of stacks. You can see here the diagram of Golgi apparatus. These are the stacks placed upon each other and joined with each other. The function of Golgi apparatus is to modify the substances present in the cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are granules-like structures. These are the small granules present in the cells. As I told you that ribosomes are involved in the synthesis of proteins. They are present in the two forms. Ribosomes may be present in the cytoplasm or they may be attached with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are of different types. They are bounded by a membrane. A membrane is present in the vacuole. In an animal cell, there are several number of vacuoles, while in a plant cell, one large vacuole is present, and that vacuole is present in the center of the cell. Vacuole helps in the storage of different materials. Vacuole also perform the functions in plant cells to transport the water in different parts of the cell, on different parts of the plants. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is a green pigment which is present in the plant cell. It is used to produce a chlorophyll. It is necessary for the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food. So chloroplast is necessary for the plant cells. Here is your homework. What is cell? There are different questions. आपने इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करने हैं. What is cell? What is function of the cell membrane? What is cell wall? And then write down the names of endoplasmic reticulum. Here are the blanks about mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, or nucleus, then Golgi apparatus, vacuole, and then a question about chloroplast and animal vacuole. You have to learn the topic by heart, to study it, and then write down these activities, these question answers, and fill the blanks on your notebooks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.